Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a digital planner to sell on Etsy. So first things first, you have to create an account on Etsy and then look for a digital planner so at least you will have your own idea on what type or kind of planner you're about to sell. So these are the samples. Now, in order to create this one, I strongly suggest to use Canva. Canva is for free, but I strongly suggest to upgrade to Pro. Go to create the design. Go to the search icon and look for digital planner. Here you will see different options. So you just have to select which one you want and it will take you directly to this where you can see different templates that you can use in order for you to create your digital planner. So let's just say if you want to use this one, what you're going to do here is just do some basic editing. For example, if you want to change the name, just double tap. If you want to add page and then add elements, just tap on elements. Let's just say if you want to add patterns or lines, everything is up to you. You just have to simply go to graphics and then look for the specific line or pattern that you want to use. For example, okay, but actually I know that you can do better than this. Now, also if you want to add icons or objects, you can just basically go to elements again and then search for something like calendar or let's just say pen or anything. Autumn, winter, snow, weather, everything is up to you. And all you have to do is to add it right here, place it anywhere you want, and then you can add more lines to this page. Now, once you are done with the first page, after adding anything here, then you can now proceed with the second page. So let's just say this is the first page. You can add more. You can make it more beautiful if you want. And then to add another page, just tap add page and then it's the same thing. Go to elements, look for an icon or any object right here, place it anywhere, add patterns or lines, or add a more designs to your planner. And you can just basically add it right here. And this is what it looks like. So you just have to simply look for a template and then add designs by tapping elements, go to graphics. You can also add photos if you want, but I strongly suggest graphics and then add anything here like lines, patterns, and so on. Now, once you're done, then you can just tap on the share and then save this as PDF and then go to your Etsy and then sell this. So basically, once they purchase this, then you will give the full access or the full thing of this planner. And basically, that's how easy it is to make a digital planner to sell on Etsy. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.